This client was only matted for 4 days. She got in for a consultation and was in the salon the next day getting dematted with us. The less time a mat has been in, we find sometimes the easier it is to get out. So this dematting only took us about 2.5 hours, but still the mat was very tight in a few areas, causing our client constant irritation. As you can see, Kaylin pointing out those red bumps, that is her scalp cursing out that mat. And it started because our client had life going on, guys. Sometimes life just be lifing. Our client was just diagnosed with MS, and she was more worried about her diagnosis, how she was gonna go about it, and how it was gonna affect her day-to-day life versus what to do with her hair. Sometimes hair is the last thing on our minds. And if you have never experienced that yourself, do not judge. Just be grateful and spread the love, guys. Matting is so much more common than you think. And one of our main causes is depression, or some of our clients just being preoccupied with life, taking care of all of the people around them, taking care of themselves, their animals. It can be a variety of reasons, but we accept everybody with open arms here at Tone, judgment-free. Now, as our girls worked on her hair, you can see that it is giving. We often get the question of, do we just leave the hair as is after we're done matting? And the answer is no, guys. We include a wash, style, cut if you want with our dematting service. We will not send our clients out with all of that product. It is a whole shebang, a whole process. Here you can see Kaylin getting that final brush through, combing out the last final tangles before we send her to the shampoo bowl to get washed out. Here's where she gets a good love and scrub and a nice soothing massage. And whether she wanted a haircut was completely on her, but this girl did not know she had curly hair. So Kaylin styled her curly just to show that her hair was not straight. But yes, you're seeing her here for the first time, mat free and curly. If you or anyone you know is struggling with matted hair, I promise you are not alone. It happens to the best of us. It is not impossible to get out. We got you here at Tone Hair Salon.
2.5 hours later, we got it out. I'm gonna have you spin that way, girlfriend. And we showed her she had curly hair because she said she had straight hair.
I do.
As it curls, but we're all done and her hair is back.
Yes, thank you, ladies. It was amazing and a lot of fun.
Yay! I love that. I'm gonna give you a hug. I don't know if you're a hugger.
I am, just because I have a resting face.